Got employee info in one sheet and sales data in another? In this video, I'll show you how to link both sheets instantly, no formulas, no errors, just clean relationships using Power Pivot. Okay, let's dive right in. Here's our example. On sheet 1, I have an employees table. On sheet 2, I have a sales table. These two tables share one common column, employee ID. Perfect for creating a relationship. Before we do anything, we must make sure the Power Pivot tab is visible. Click File. Then go down to Options. Choose Add Ints. In the Manage box, select COM Add Ints. Then click Go. Check the box for Microsoft Power Pivot for Excel. And click OK. Power Pivot tab appears at the top of Excel. Now, convert both datasets into tables. Just highlight the data. Press Ctrl T, make sure my table has headers checked, and hit OK. Now name your tables from the Table Design tab. I'll call them Employees and Sales to keep things clean. Next, go to the Power Pivot tab, and click Add to Data Model for each table. This sends your tables into a powerful database, like View where Excel can link them behind the scenes. Now click the Diagram view in Power Pivot. You'll see both tables side by side. All you do is drag Employee ID from the Employees table onto Employee ID in the Sales table. Boom, relationship created. Now insert a pivot table from Power Pivot. Click Home, Pivot Table inside Power Pivot. And insert it. Now watch the magic. I drop employee name from the Employees table into rows. Then drop sales amount from the Sales table into values. And instantly, Excel combines both datasets like they're one big table. No formulas, no formatting mess, and zero headache. If this helped you work smarter in Excel, hit like, share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. And tell me in the comments, what Excel problem should I solve next?